Hi everyone, so the objective of this next tutorial is to take a picture of a frame that looks like this and a picture of a castle that looks like this, and you need to put the castle into the picture frame. So the easiest way to do this would be to have the two pictures open side by side and then go to the picture with the castle and you want to select the whole thing. So Command A to select the entire picture, and then you want to copy it, so Command C, and then go into the picture with the frame and copy it over, so Command V, and you can see that it does this. And this isn't exactly what we want because it doesn't look like the picture is perfectly into the frame. So to fix this, you want to click on your background layer and make a copy of it. So you can simply right click if you're using a PC. If you're using a Mac, you need to hold down the control key and click on the background layer and then duplicate this layer. It's going to ask you if you want to make a copy of it. You're going to say OK, and you can see that in your layers panel it's now made a copy of your background layer. It isn't doing you a whole lot of good right now because you don't really see it. So to make it visible, you need to move it up in your layers panel, and it looks like this, which again is not what you want. So to get rid of the white pixels here, you could use the magic wand tool or the rectangular marquee tool. I'm going to use magic wand. You just want to click on the white area once and it's going to select all of the white pixels, and then I'm going to hit delete, and this is the way you want it to be. So we're basically done here. I'm going to Control D to deselect and get those marching ants to disappear. And so that's the entire tutorial. So at this point you want to hit File, Save As, save this to your desktop, and then upload the original Photoshop file to Etsy.